Dr. Ashton here, of course, with us. And we got some troubling developments when we're talking about this pandemic right now. And that leads us to our big number. That number is 100,000 plus, essentially. That's how many Americans right now are hospitalized with COVID-19 nationwide. Now, the big deal here is that that is actually the highest level, Dr. Ashton, we have seen in 7 months. ICU beds in particular are strained in states. Those states, though, when you look at them, they have low vaccination rates.
That's right. And we've been talking about vaccines this week, including those booster shots. But there's some news coming out of Moderna now.
Yeah, so let's start with some encouraging news before we get to the not so encouraging news. This comes from Moderna. And as you said, Amy, this has really been the theme of the week, the vaccine updates. They have just submitted their complete application for full FDA approval for the COVID-19 vaccine in people ages 18 years and up. They did request priority review designation, which means the FDA needs to assess that data in a period of 6 months instead of the regular 10 months period of time. And this is phase 3 clinical trials from Moderna, which showed overall a 93% efficacy through the 6-month period after their second dose. So overall, still pretty good numbers.
Good news there, but I mean, my goodness, what do you make of these hospitalization numbers?
So let's look at the most recent metrics, and they are concerning to say the least when you talk about what's going on right now in this country with respect to COVID. Hospitalizations, we can't emphasize this enough, they are at the highest rate in the past 7 months. There are over 100,000 Americans currently in-house hospitalized with COVID-19, largely unvaccinated, as we've heard in the past. Again, hospitalizations in this age group, 0 to 29, that's the highest point to date in this entire pandemic. And again, community transmission now unfortunately high in every single state in the country except for Maine. So we have a lot of work to do, for sure.
Dr. Ashton, we appreciate you as always.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.